Right. So in the last session, we have discussed about different types of EDIs, especially healthcare EDIs, followed by the retail EDIs, all that. But whereas in today's session, I'm going to discuss about EDI communication protocols because normally these protocols are the one which are setting up the standards and as well as the rules of the conventions, which majorly governs the exchange of any uh, documents, something electronically between any kind of systems, all that. Generally, these EDI protocols are protocols will ensure us like what is the data which is transmitted accurately, secure, and as well as efficient between any trading partners, uh, different trading partners, and all. Whether it can be inbound or outbound, all that stuff. In process of understanding about the EDI communication protocols, now there are different protocols we have. First one about APIs. That is one protocol we have, which is called application programming interfaces. So either it can be RESTful API, Web API, SOAP API. These APIs will be created by us to develop some communication between two different systems. At the same time, these APIs will also serve as a communication method, not only to facilitate EDI connections, but also provide some kind of broad range of capabilities and flexibilities. Whenever we are doing some media integrations like using API and all that, so it also allows uh, organizations to go beyond the limitations and as well as standard EDIs, all that. Next one is about AS2. There's other work like which is called applicability statement 2, which is majorly a standard for using widely used protocols for any kind of security as well as the reliability of data transmission. The next one about FTP, which is about one more protocol, which is called file transfer protocols and all that. So these are majorly the standard network protocols, which are used to transfer any kind of files between any kind of computers over any kind of TCP/IP networking, something like internet or something like that. Next, one more important protocol which is called HTTP protocol, hypertext transfer protocols and all. These are fundamental protocols, majorly useful for developing a communication between a client uh, and as well as the web server. Next one about HTTPS, which is about hypertext transfer protocol secures and all, which majorly used as an extension of the standards using for HTTP for securing any kind of communication over computer network. This HTTPS is being used. Last but not least, SMTP, which is about simple mail transfer protocols and all. This is an EDI communication method, majorly useful for us to transform and transmit EDI files over internet or in email, all that. So these are the different protocols we have. Of course, we have many other, but these are the major protocols which normally we use when we are working on the EDI part, especially being an EDI specialist or an EDI analyst and all. Understanding over these protocols are essentially important.